Hello guys and welcome to the moon. My name is Carl and I'm here to bring you another cryptocurrency video. In this video I'm going to show you step by step how to register for an Binance account and also how to make your first deposit. First of all, the first thing that is very important, you have to please check that you are visiting Binance.com, because when you go to Google and search for Binance or Binance register or something like that, a few of the top sites are ads, and those ads are so-called phishing sites. They are scam sites. They are trying to steal your funds. Make sure that the only site you are actually visiting is www.binance.com. Nothing else. This is the only address you're supposed to be visiting. Alright, so when you come to this site, I'll leave my link down below so you can that way you can be positive that it's the right site. So click register, and here you go. You just enter your email, make a secure password here, confirm your password, and if you want to, you can use my referral ID 11069112. That gives me a small commission for helping you register to the site, and you agree to the Binance's terms of service, and then you go click register. Alright guys, so when you're logged in, this is the landing page you'll see. Take a moment and read these tips. They can save your funds. So our objective right now is to deposit Ethereum. That's what we're going to do right now. And to do that, you're going to click this or hover your pointer above this and click balances. This will take you to your list of wallets. So these are all the coins that are currently listed on Binance. A lot of coins, and for this video I'm going to use Ethereum as an example. So either I'll just look for it here, or I can search up here for Ethereum, and you have this wallet here. Right now my total balance is 0.0, so I don't have an Ethereum right here. And you go over here to this button, deposit. You click there, and that will take you to this site. So this is your Ethereum deposit address. So this is the public key that you're going to send your funds to. You can also click here to get your a QR code, which you can scan with your phone or the device you're using. So and for this video I'm going to use GDAX to transfer the Ethereum. So what I would suggest you do is maybe you're using Coinbase, and if you are using Coinbase and GDAX are the same company, by the way. They share the same back end. It's just a different user interface. Coinbase is simply for beginners. GDAX is more aimed towards those that are a bit more seasoned in this crypto space. But if you are on Coinbase and you just want to withdraw, you click accounts, and if you want to withdraw Ethereum, which I suggest you, even if you want to withdraw, say you have 0.5 Bitcoin, convert your Bitcoin to Ethereum and send Ethereum or Litecoin to Binance, because it's a lot faster and a lot cheaper to transfer. But you simply click send here, and a little box will come up where you will enter the public key to this wallet. So you simply copy address and you put that in there, which I will do right now. So here over at GDAX, right now I have 2.6 Ethereum on GDAX. I'll click withdraw, and withdraw funds. A pop-up will come here, and I will click here, Ethereum address. I will copy the address from Binance, make sure that it's the correct address. I usually check the first 3 and the last 3 digits just to make sure that everything is okay, and click the amount, either if you want to send 1 ether, or in my case maybe I just click here max, so to send the whole funds. And I have a 2-factor code authentication mechanism installed here, so, and then I'll just press withdraw funds. For this video I'm not going to actually withdraw the funds, I'm just going to assume that everything works out for you. So over here you should be able to see if the Ethereum has arrived yet or not. Usually Ethereum is a lot faster than Bitcoin. So after a while your new balance should end up in your Ethereum wallet. Let's see, yeah, so the balance should end up here, and at that point you're totally fine to just begin trading. And if you want to begin to trade, you go over to exchange here, and if you're a beginner, you just click basic, and that will take you to this site, this page. And but this is the next video, so join me in the next video to learn how to navigate this page, use the limit order, how to buy different coins, use the stop limits, how to understand the order book here, and how to navigate this page essentially. If you want to register on Binance, either use my referral code, or simply click the link in the description. In this series I'm making, in one of these videos, I'm going to show you how to. You see here that the fee for transacting or trading here is 0.1%. I'm going to show you how to make that 0.05, so 50% discount. I'll show you in this series. So stay tuned, subscribe, and make sure you are all set with the information you need. Bye guys.